Did you know that 80% of people over 50 suffer from cartilage damage in their knees? But here's something your doctor might not tell you. Your body actually has the power to rebuild this vital cushioning naturally with the right foods. I used to struggle with knee pain so severe that walking upstairs felt like a punishment. But today I move freely without surgery or medications, and I'm going to share the exact foods that help me rebuild my cartilage and reclaim my active lifestyle. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a bonus anti-inflammatory drink my grandmother used, which helped accelerate my own recovery. Now you know that creaking sound your knees make when you stand up, like an old door. That's often because the cushiony cartilage that absorbs shock in your knees is wearing down. Think of cartilage as the shock absorbers in your car. When they wear out, the ride becomes rough and painful. As we age, our body's natural ability to regenerate cartilage declines. But the good news is, what you eat can play a major role in reversing this. The nutrients in your kitchen might be exactly what your knees are craving. Let's talk about the first food group, collagen-rich foods. Imagine you're patching a pothole. You need the right material, right? Collagen is that material for cartilage repair. Bone broth is a superstar here. When you simmer bones for hours, it releases collagen, glycine, and proline, all essential for cartilage formation. Chicken or fish with the skin on are great sources too. If that's not your thing, gelatin or collagen supplements can fill the gap. Many of my viewers report noticeable improvements in just 3 to 4 weeks of daily bone broth. Next, we have foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Think of inflammation like a small fire in your joints, and omega-3s as water that douses the flames. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are ideal. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. Walnuts are another easy and tasty source. Just a small handful daily. You can also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of flax or chia seeds to your meals and make olive oil your go-to cooking oil for an added anti-inflammatory punch. The third group is vitamin C-rich foods. Vitamin C is like the construction supervisor on your knee repair project. Without it, work stalls. Bell peppers, especially the colorful ones, are vitamin C powerhouses. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are fantastic too, as are strawberries, kiwis, and broccoli. Just half a bell pepper can meet your daily vitamin C needs, which helps hold collagen together and strengthens your cartilage. Fourth, let's not overlook sulfur-rich foods. Sulfur acts like motor oil, keeping your joints moving smoothly and preventing breakdown. Garlic and onions are excellent sources. Use them generously in your cooking. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are also high in sulfur, and eggs, especially the yolks, provide a good dose as well. Fifth are the micronutrient-rich foods. These are the tiny but essential parts your body needs to rebuild cartilage. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are amazing. And whole grains such as oats and quinoa offer key minerals too. Seeds, especially pumpkin seeds, are great for zinc, which helps cartilage cells divide and multiply. A single cup of beans can give you about 20% of your daily zinc requirement. Sixth, we have natural anti-inflammatory foods, nature's painkillers. Turmeric is outstanding, especially when paired with black pepper for better absorption. Ginger is another gem. Fresh is best, but dried works too. Tart cherries, particularly as juice concentrate, and pineapples, rich in bromelain, are also effective. A favorite remedy of mine is golden milk, warm milk with turmeric, black pepper, and a bit of honey. The curcumin in turmeric not only eases inflammation, but also protects cartilage from further damage. Seventh, focus on calcium-rich foods to support the bones beneath your cartilage. When bones weaken, they place extra stress on cartilage. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are reliable sources. If you prefer plant-based, opt for calcium-fortified almond, soy, or oat milk. Sardines with bones are a calcium goldmine, and leafy greens like kale and collards are also excellent. Don't forget vitamin D. It helps your body absorb calcium effectively, and just 15 minutes of morning sun can do wonders. Lastly, antioxidant-rich berries are essential for fighting the rust in your joints caused by free radicals. Blueberries have some of the highest antioxidant content of any food, and cherries, especially tart, are fantastic. Pomegranates, both seeds and juice, are packed with protective compounds, and even a small square of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, can benefit your joints. Anthocyanins in berries specifically reduce joint inflammation, which is why many people notice less pain after just a half cup of berries daily. To make this easier, here's what a typical healing day might look like when you're intentionally feeding your body the nutrients it needs to rebuild knee cartilage and reduce inflammation. Start your morning with a warm, nourishing bowl of oatmeal, topped with antioxidant-rich berries like blueberries or strawberries, heart-healthy walnuts, and a tablespoon of ground flax seeds for a dose of plant-based omega-3s and fiber. This powerful combination helps reduce inflammation and provides your joints with the essential building blocks to begin the repair process. For lunch, prepare a vibrant, colorful salad made with a variety of leafy greens such as kale or spinach, vitamin C-rich bell peppers, and a protein source like sardines, which are packed with calcium and omega-3 fatty acids. Drizzle the salad with extra virgin olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice to add healthy fats and more vitamin C. This helps your body better absorb the nutrients and encourages collagen formation. For dinner, enjoy a comforting and healing bowl of chicken soup made with slow-simmered bone broth, rich in collagen, glycine, and proline, which directly nourish your cartilage. Include vegetables like garlic and onions for their sulfur content and natural anti-inflammatory effects. This kind of meal not only supports joint health, but also warms your body from the inside out. When it comes to snacks, keep them simple but beneficial. Choose plain yogurt for its calcium and probiotics. Add a drizzle of raw honey for its soothing antimicrobial properties, and a sprinkle of cinnamon, which has anti-inflammatory effects as well. This combination tastes great and helps balance blood sugar levels too. Now let's talk about results, because while rebuilding cartilage doesn't happen overnight, it absolutely happens with consistency. In the first 1 to 2 weeks, many people report feeling a noticeable reduction in joint stiffness and daily pain levels. By the end of the first month, improved mobility and flexibility are common as inflammation decreases and your body starts utilizing the nutrients it's been receiving. Between 3 to 6 months, actual cartilage regeneration can begin, especially if you've been consistently including foods from all the healing categories: collagen-rich, anti-inflammatory, vitamin-packed, and mineral-dense. Over time, those small daily choices add up to big changes, and many of my viewers share stories of increased energy, reduced knee pain, and the ability to walk or exercise again without discomfort. And now, as promised, here's your bonus tip: a traditional Japanese healing drink that supports liver function and significantly reduces inflammation throughout the body, which in turn helps accelerate cartilage repair. The liver plays a central role in filtering toxins and managing inflammation, so when it's functioning optimally, your body is better equipped to heal. To make this simple but powerful tonic, combine 1 cup of warm, not boiling water with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, a small pinch of black pepper to enhance turmeric absorption, and 1 teaspoon of raw honey to balance the flavors and add gentle antimicrobial properties. Drink this on an empty stomach in the morning, about 15 to 20 minutes before breakfast. Many people who try this drink say they feel a noticeable improvement in their joint pain and morning stiffness after just 2 weeks. This tonic, when paired with the right foods, supports a whole-body healing environment. Remember, there are no instant fixes when it comes to rebuilding cartilage, but every healing food you put on your plate is like a deposit into your body's recovery bank. Over time, these deposits add up, and the rewards are real. less pain, better mobility, and a greater sense of freedom in your daily life. Your body was designed to heal. It just needs the right support. So choose foods that heal. Nourish your joints. Be consistent. And most importantly, be patient and kind to yourself in the process. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might be struggling with knee pain or joint issues. Your support allows me to continue creating content that helps more people live stronger, healthier, and more pain-free lives. Until next time, take care of your body, it's the only one you got, and feed it the nutrients it needs to heal from the inside out.